Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get a horse, horseman headless on roblox. So you have to click on three dot, go to marketplace, and now once in the marketplace, you have to search for silly hat. Search for it. You'll find here this silly hat. Click on it and click on free button to get this item. I have already get on this item. So now click on go to customize. Now once in the customize, let's choose this once you choose this avatar, now what you need to do, you have to go then ahead and so I'll show you how can you get this free horseman or headless. Now once you are in the head and body, now you have to go to head and body and go to style and choose that silly head that I have told you to enable or to get. So I'll give you the link of item so you don't have to worry. And now click on this silly head. Now one thing now you have to do is just go to skin and in the whole body color you can choose click on advanced and now you have to choose the black color. This is not doing so it's not working in the uh, app. So we can open our web version of it. So let's open a roblox.com. Sometimes it doesn't work changing the color. So you can open a roblox.com and go to an avatar editor. I'll show you how it works. And let me close this app. So now you have to body and go to skin tone. Now I have to click on this advanced option and go to select all and choose black select from here. And also you have to go to head and body and choose the head that I have told you to download and install, or sorry, to get it. Okay, so click on it, this head, and you will see that it looks like a uh, it looks like a big horseman headless, as you can see. And let me what can I do here? Remove the hair. Let me see how it looks. There are flashes. Now we can open our app to see the change and see the look how it looks. Now I have to click on three dot again, go to in marketplace, choose the customize, or you can see that it gives you a headless look as well as if you dark your skin, so it gives you a dark horseman headless look. So, but when you wear the hair, so it covers the this silly head completely. So if I go to, let me go to head and body. And one thing or you can do also, you can choose the head that basically is been deleted by the developers. Like I have this head, the frog head. So if I select this one, this head, it basically do not appear because no data of this by this name in the Roblox uh, server. So won't appear here in the avatars as you can see. So it works very fine. So you can get this also. And yeah, that's how you can get it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.